JZX. My rental's a bit full. Well, what a beautiful morning it is once again. I must go up the stairs because there's beautiful views from here. Neve's car, S15, Momo's JZX. Wheel change going on. JZX sitting pretty with a bit of a slow puncture on the front right. Last time it was a front left. But we got something special for this car, which we'll go get in a second. Up these sketchy steps. And honestly, it's one of the best viewing spots. They are quite solid. I will say, it's a day for sorting out. JZX has got a whole lot of crap in it. Rental car's got a whole lot of crap in it. The pits are a bit of a mess, which we'll organise now. Yeah, rental's got a lot of stuff. And some interesting things here. So everybody's showing up with some bloody nice cars. Which is a bit of a shame because we don't really have a nice car. Maybe it's an extra. But we do have something special for this car to make it a bit nicer. In the meantime, go air up the front again because it's a bit low. And then go for some laps. Get some practice. It's the morning. It's just past 9 AM. Track is hot. Go do a few warm-up laps. First lap of the day. Very strange. Like it's got more grip, but it likes the pendulum. So I said the car feels very pendulum-like. I think I found out why. Once again, I've always done this. Always make the mistake. Oh, I'll explain why it's a bit fleshy and floshy. But definitely a good few runs for the morning. Gets the blood pumping early on. Now to check the car over because it feels a bit loose up front. Like something's wobbly and shaking. But yeah. Always remember to clear your boot out. Or trunk. While we have brother Wi-Fi out, he must have got his turbo replaced. Warm up the front a bit. So I'm sitting here in my hotel room editing this video, and yeah, as you can see, when I transition towards the wall, my steering goes my hands are all panicking. Now the next clip you watched was the outside. So now you've watched the outside, I'm going to slow it down and zoom on in a certain position because you will see the bit of the problem and why I was having a bit of a funny steering problem. So yeah, you've seen every time I transitions to the left, the wheel would go and it'd be going weird places and yeah, strange. Yep, that's why. So hopefully there's not another crack in the wheel and it's just deviated. Oh, well I'm just happy it wasn't me that crashed into it.
That's alright, I don't know.
So, oil filter off, but we'll get a new one. And I didn't realise you had a big fucking turbo. Oh, lovely.
You're right.
Oily hands.
Oil. Oily hands. No, I shouldn't have to touch it.
So that big bang was at the other end, another end of another wheel. They are consumable. So yeah, that was the result of that big dirt drop.
I see that.
Well, that's box one. So picked up a new body kit for the JZX. My rental's a bit full, so luckily I have Austin and his pal. We're going to try and fit this in their rental. And $200 this body kit cost me, and then an OEM front bumper as well. Let's try and fit it in here. It fits somewhat, thank you. Not even sticking out the boot. It's getting hectic. Andrew Joyce, the one who sourced all the parts, helped me open the bumper to try and make this thing look a bit prettier. So I've had a few close calls and battered wheels and other problems. I'll call that a day just before G1. We're going to try and fit the kit. Bumper is on now, looking OEM and fresh. And we'll try and get all this done just before G1. Eve's over here vlogging as well. She's been having a blast. We got the full kit. So hard to film up here, but the front bumper's on. Now just get the skirt on, rear's already on as well. But it's becoming a car again. So as you just seen, I went out with Samet because, well, the boys take me on to. Pug was to give him a rub, and I think we got there. A bit further away than I wanted, but yeah, slow car. Anyway. That's how we ended. Tires completely gone. That's what that last pop you would have heard. I went out with half the kit on. Ended up putting the other side skirt back on. Now, even with that little bit of off-roading, the kit is still in one piece. And there's part of his rear tire. Is he still in one piece? And this is plant 5. This has about everything you could ever want in a store. And we're gonna go get our paint for the JZX in here. And have a look around as well. Not only do they have our spray paint, but they have absolutely any coffee and drink that would be in a vending machine in bulk by form. You can literally buy Kalpa soda by the box full, coffees by the box full, and for extremely cheap. And for cheap as well. That's per can, and this is for a full box, which is a bit more, so it's like 56 yen a can. Instead of the usual like 120, 140. Every kind of ramen you could want. Some bulbs for your car because you need them for Matsuri. All the car cleaning equipment, and accompanied by all the screens that shout at you. And here's what we're here for. Always loud music in these stores. Right? I know my car's not fully black, but I think that's what we're gonna go for. There we go. And this is for the thrash wheel so that when I put it in storage, it doesn't get dirty or faded. You need a clock? They got it. A humidifier? They got it. And some Totoro socks for Momo because she's at home feeling shit. And now back to the track for some painting. Now to give this thing some paint. Kit's on, so we use some cardboard and yeah, hopefully it's one colour again soon. Well, multiple colours of dark. The front, that's be my favourite part. Hold on, let me close this door. Absolutely love it. Oh, the marker light's gone. Hey, somebody offered me $90 for them. Alright, perfect.
I'm trying to get the most paint coverage I can.
Hey, these cans are going further than I expected. I bought way too much.
No, you need them.
All the detailing going, look at the tyres shine.
Holy shit, that looks good.
The side skirt is gone, you can't even see it, it's that good. She's bloody mint.
Somebody's all flashed, dude.
Yeah, she's fancy now.
What a bird.
The paint completely changes the whole look of the car. It's back to being nice again. I really wonder how long it's going to last though. I wonder who, I think the rear bumper is going to be the first to go.